something to eat. And then she said I couldn't do that, and I was like, mad. And I don't understand that. It's so stupid. Anyways, I'm gonna ask my mom if you can spend the night.
Did you text me?
Yeah, can you bring me a snack?
Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready.
What? Hey, Mom. Mom. Mom!
How was cheer?
Fun. Mom, where's my charger? And then they have to like pick me up like this and do like this thing, and I have to flip like this.